and part 6, and obviously we've been trailing under this resistance for almost, let's say, from 10th of May to current date. We've been trailing under this resistance for quite a while. We tried breaking it, it didn't happen. Let me see, we tried breaking this resistance, we couldn't, came down again. We tested this resistance, couldn't, came down. Now we tried, didn't work, and we're still, we're still landing around the 29k, 30k. Market cipher is also showing us some signs of downtrend here. You could see our momentum wave. You can see our momentum wave has crossed the overbought territories. This is the overbought line, sorry, and we've curved downwards again. Money flow is also curving downwards. VWAP is also curving downwards. RSIs are showing downtrend, and like, what do I think? I don't really think money is going into the negative territories. Just like, I don't know, maybe it might calm down and go up. If you want to know much, navigate amongst different time frames to see the direction if you want to trade. But this is just a video talking about what's happening. Well, we had some little liquid in money, sorry, in the assets for a while. We've been positive for a while in terms of liquid. We came here, came here, came here, came here. So there's the signs of bullishness. I'm not saying the uptrend is yet to come, but I'm just showing what market cipher is saying. But again, if you're a trader, you don't care about all these things. You really don't have to care much about the ups and downs of crypto. It's volatile and it's normal, and everybody who's been in crypto for a while know and understand all these things. It's just one part of crypto. It's very volatile and very speculative. So if you are holding, or you're a long-term investor, that one is you don't really have to care much about the downtrend when you're a long-term investor. This is the very best time to even accumulate Bitcoin more. This is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to let you know that anytime you're down, is the gathering of the spoils. That's what I call it. You take much more advantage of downtrend. But if you're a trader, you understand, like, you don't really have to care much about the uptrends and downtrends, because that's where you trade. You trade the volatility. Is like that's where you make the money. So this is just market cipher overview of what's going up, what's happening in Bitcoin. It's a series that I just started just to give you guys updates, and like I said, there is much liquid here. Liquidity, momentum has shown signs, and we've been a little bit, let's say, bullish, but it's not really that massive up until, let's say, we break this resistance. We've tried this resistance, we tested this resistance, came down, and tested again, came down. So it was like, well, let's see if there are signs that we can break this resistance. Boom, let's see what happens. It's probably going to happen, but I can't tell, because this is not, I'm not really trying to bet on the very price of Bitcoin. I don't really care if Bitcoin goes to 60,000 or 30,000, or so far as you are trading, that's what you're doing. You don't really care much about the actual price, because every move is a money move for you. Once you're trading, every significant move is a money move. Like, not necessarily significant, but just any minute or fragment move, especially if you have a very good script. The script I'm using is called market cipher. It's basically a script that gives you insight into the very direction of an asset. So if you understand how market cipher works, you don't really care about technical analysis, or you just trade with it. That's what you do. So this is just an overview of market cipher, and just trying to share. So this is what's happening with Bitcoin part 6, and I probably have to do another video talking about base of market cipher for newbies and beginners. So until then, have a nice time, people. Peace.